As the United States works to decarbonize its electricity sector, it's going to need to shift to using more renewable resources, such as solar and wind power. And these are inherently intermittent. Nuclear power is the only technology available today that both does not generate any greenhouse gases and, depending on the design, can ramp up and down in response to changes in demand for both short and long-term periods of time. The American nuclear industry faces designs for large reactors that don't account for modern manufacturing technologies, broken or non-existent supply chains for important system components, and the lack of a trained workforce to actually build the new generation of reactors. In response, the government can strengthen R&D and revisit regulations and operating licenses for advanced reactor designs. You can also foster partnerships with industry and with technical colleges, with academia, to train a new generation of workers that know how to build new nuclear reactors. Without a price on carbon emission, and while continuing to subsidize sources such as wind and solar, fossil fuels and renewables are always going to be cheaper than nuclear power. And so it's important to level this playing field. But having a clean energy standard that includes nuclear, as President Biden has been proposing, would certainly help. Now, when it comes to confronting climate change, we must use every resource at our disposal that doesn't contribute to the problem. Not only should nuclear be part of the mix in its own right, but also offers an opportunity to make renewables much more reliant by acting as a carbon-free source of dealing with the backup problem that renewables have.